Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to be using mostly metallic paints. I've got Pebeo Iridescent Silver, Arteza Pearl Sapphire Blue, which is a glorious paint, wonderful to use. And I've only used it once before and I would love to experiment a bit more with some of the other Arteza colours. This is the only one I've been able to afford so far. Deco Art Rose Gold and Deco Art Glamour Dust in Aqua. It's supposed to have a very fine sparkle through it. I don't know if I can, you can't really see it in the pot. I've never tried this paint before, so I'm interested to see what happens. And I'll be painting on a 30cm square canvas, which I will cover with white. I'll just show you this one before I start. The video didn't work, unfortunately, but I did another pour with the same colours that didn't work before, and I'm much better pleased with this. It's on a much smaller canvas, 20cm square. I used to put Liquitex pouring medium in all my colours, but recently I've been experimenting with just using water in the white base. I still put Liquitex in the white that I surround the colours with, but it seems to be okay just using white paint and water for the base. I haven't found any reason not to yet. So that's the Deco Art Glamour Dust first, and then the Deco Art Rose Gold. Just give this a stir. It's a lovely paint, this. And then the blue, and just a touch of silver over the top. Pour some white around about. I wonder if this is too much paint. Just get rid of the air bubbles. Not too many of them. And then bring in the hairdryer. And blow it out. Interesting. Seems to be a painting of two halves at the moment. There's blue right up this side and green and rose gold up the other side. I like this part here with the lacing very much. And I like this part as well. I'm just not sure about the overall balance of the painting. Right, I'm going to turn it and see if we can restore some balance here. Fingers crossed. Actually, quite like it that way around. Just a quick run over with the blowtorch. So, conclusion. I like the overall painting, I'm really pleased with it. The blue is beautiful and I think it will be lovely and metallic-y when it dries. The Deco Art Rose Gold has come through nicely. It's not too clumpy, it's spread out and mingled in with the other colours. I love the selling. The green sparkle, it does sparkle, but there's not much of it. It's kind of disappeared. It's here, tiny bit there, tiny bit here, tiny bit there. I'm going to tidy up around these edges and just make them all clean white instead of messy, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, so I've tidied up the top here of the painting, but I've decided to leave the bottom area, which I think is quite interesting. The selling is beautiful. I'm really pleased with this. The silver is coming through in the middle of the sapphire. The glamour dust, a little bit disappointing. I'm not sure if there's much sparkle, but we'll get a better feel when it dries. But overall, yes, very nice, very sort of water on rocks splashing around effect, which I'm pleased with. So if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.